Hello everyone, this is Meng. I'm going to show how to run the simulation on the Galaxy server. So first of all, we need to create a new history since the Galaxy uses the history to management the file. So it's like we do the similar thing to create a folder in our desktop system. So like we create new history by just click that button and give a name. Since we use the neural date to run the simulation, so we just call the neural date. Oops. And then we go to the toolbar to grab upload tools to do the uploading tasks. So there's a powerful apps can upload the multiple files at the same time. So this time we will use this one. So we select the survey date plus the divider and the field overlay. Yeah, and then this is for the historical. Since we will going to run the current condition, so we plus the current condition seasonal strategy and the linkage. So that's all we need for running the current condition simulation. So I click start, and then the upload will be executed. So you can see there are several steps being generated in the history bar. So during the uploading, so we continue to create the workflow. The workflow is kind of a group of the application which will run one by one to execute the code. So here I just click the create the new workflow, and I will give a name. Let's say neural current. So here is the workflow editor. So I just click the toolbar to drag the apps come in. So first one is called the data combinator. Since the current RIA, the new RIA workflow will like we separate the weather data and the survey data. So we need this combinator to combine the weather and the survey data into a single data file and provide to the core UI, which is the translation tools. Since we have two packages, so we click the add new data source twice, and then we add the core UI here. Core UI, I think most of the people are familiar with this. This is the translation tools to translate the data into the module input file. For this time, we only have the DSAT input, but by the next January, we will have the FSM as well. And here, this is the output from the data combinator. I will connect to the survey data on the core UI. So that means the combinator will provide the files to the core UI as input. And then I add the DSAT 45 and connect the output from core UI to the DSAT input. And then I do the similar thing for the ECMA UI. ECMA UI will take the DSAT output and generate the ECMA CSV output file. And then last one, I will add the standard plot, which will translate the ECMA file to the visualization. So for this one, I will add a new ECMA CSV and connect it to it. And on here, I can give a name for what the CSV is, and also give a title. Since we will generate the yield, so I just give yield here. And here I can change the visualization bar, the color. So probably we can give like right here. So that's it. That's the basic workflow. It could be generated in minutes. So I just save it, and I can run it now. Yeah. So here, this is the page with you can link your history date to your workflow. So first step is the data combinator. So we need to provide the survey date and the weather here. And then the second one is the core UI. So survey data is already there, provided from the data combinator. It says from the step one. And then the second is the field overlay. So we select the field overlay, and then seasonal is already there, and the linkage is already there. Then, so the input selection is ready. Then we just check this box to send the result to a new history. So we call this current result, and then click the run workflow. And then the web page will submit the this work pipe to the server, and then the server will create the pipeline and try to run these steps, and also generate a new history. Okay, the new history is ready, so we just refresh here, and you can see here the workflow is already being executed. So the first step and the second step is already being green, so that means it's finished. And the yellow one means it's been processing, and then the other one is like waiting in the pipe for the output from the previous steps. So by this point, is there any questions? Since we're just waiting for the result. So this is a more little complicated one that is like contain two simulations in one workflow. So that I previously said. So you can add the annotation here. Like you click one app and you can add the annotation here to distinguish the similar app but used for different purpose. Like this combinator is used for future scenario, and this one is used in current, like that. And when you run it, you will see the connotation will come here, and you can know which steps is used for, so to avoid the confusing like that. By the way, I think the processing is done, so you can see this is the result generated from the simulation. Is for yield for the current condition. It's like that. So that's it.